Meaning of Imperial College London.
Imperial College London.
Imperial College London.
Imperial College London.
Imperial College London. Imperial College London is a public research university located in London, United Kingdom. It was established in 1907 and has a strong reputation for science, engineering, medicine, and business. The college offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses in various fields such as physics, computer science, electrical engineering, and business management. It is known for its innovative research work and has produced many distinguished alumni and Nobel laureates. Imperial College London is consistently ranked as one of the top universities in the world and attracts students from all over the globe.